Two tools to technology that has evolved and thinkers who have really questioned how things work. And they have observed and they have experienced, well, remember, all these data that physics give us, that science give us about this knowledge, they are actually only going to serve us when you already know, when we apply them, right? Otherwise, it's data that is useless and is lost. And these data that are useful to be applied and experienced. It's like they are going to take value. And I want this to be very clear. That is, it is not the task of physics to give value to the information that it gives us, or that emerges from experiments or hypotheses, theories. The value of all that data is personal. It is us who gives deep value and meaning to all the data that physics can give us. So, I remind you, you have the power to give value to things. It's not the task of physics to say what can be said about nature. Those are the words of the great scientist Niels Bohr. And with this we start our quantum physics class. By understanding well what physics are, we are going to enter the small world. Remember, classical physics only studies behavior on a human scale, or on a microscopic scale, and the laws that used to apply in this world, because they no longer apply in that world, which is the quantum world, which is the world that is going to tell us how matter emerges, which is surprising. You'll see? Well, I want us to integrate this information. Let's take a couple of inhalations and join me in saying the mantra I create 3 times. I create, because this opens our minds up. It opens our hearts up to receive information. Remembering that it is always feeling how I will be able to understand things better. In comparison, if I want to put reason into it, perhaps it's so I open myself to feeling, I open myself to believing. And knowing that all the information that I give you, it will be you, the ones who give them the value, and you will be the ones who experience all this information in your daily life in order to create that loving and harmonious reality which corresponds to its essence, its true being.